Hey guys, good morning to everyone. Today we are completely discuss about the Infosys and how to apply. What are the examination dates is to be given by the Infosys and how to apply a complete video for the students who don't know about that. First of all, you have to type the InfoTQ on the Google. The link is to be given on the description. First of all, you have to log in. uh, I already applied for the Infosys at 1 month back. If you are anybody interested to apply for the Infosys, I can explain briefly about that and a given link at description. You can enter by clicking on the below link. You can go onto the website and applying for it. For that, what are the eligibility criteria for the applying for the Infosys? All is to be discussed in this video. A full-fledged to you about the information. uh, you have to see the video entirely and for the last minute. First, the Infosys certification exam. The Infosys to be hiring the students of 2023 batch of BE, BTech and MEM Tech and MSc and MC and MCM student graduating in 2023. The examination should be processed in a certification round and advantage round. The certification round is to be consists of a deep programming and a database management skills. The programming should be have to choose of your own by your option. You have to choose the programming, whether it is Java or Python on this certification round. The scoring above 65% or more in certification round, you are eligible for the interview of the certification round and as well as the advantage round. If you are passed the certification round and you have to complete the uh, certification round interview, you got an offer letter from the Infosys and the package should be 3.8 lakh per annum. And after you had not interested to go for the job and for your bright future, you have to go for the advantage round also. One of the opportunity to the certified round uh, qualified students. The advantage round is to be the post should be whether specialist programmer and digital specialist engineering at Infosys. The Infosys should be higher. For the specialist programmer, the his salary should be 5 lakh per annum and the digital specialist engineer at Infosys should be 8 lakhs per annum. It is very important certification round. Who cleared the certification round to gain an advantage and gain a job opportunity for a ninja technical roles, whether it is a specialist programmer and digital specialist engineer. The salaries is to be high for the specialist programmer and digital specialist programmer. Exam is to be conducted 3 hours for the certification round as well as advantage round. In certification round, the exam is to be on the two programming skills. Two programming questions is to be given. You have to completely solve that two programming questions by the logic you have, by the mind. You have to keep your mind on that. Within 1 hour you have to solve the two programmings. And another is a MCQs of 10 MCQs from whether chosen language, whether it is the Python or Java. And another 1 hour is for the uh, DBMS database management system. It is also 10 consists of 10 questions. You have to complete by this 3 hours by attempting all. There is no negative marking in that. Okay, next you have to go for the and how to apply for this. I have to given a link onto the description. What the steps to be taken for the Infosys certification exam. While for the some of the learning journey is to be given here for the preparation for the examination. You have to see that while applying you have to choose and started the Infosys also be give you an opportunity, give you an platform to learn the programming languages programming languages, whether it is Java, Python, and some of the modules is to be given, and the database management system and the behavioral skills and the Infosys certification. It is very important, and all the students I requested to go through these links and watch the videos and gain the knowledge about that. It is very important for your bright future. To check your system compatibility here by clicking on this. for the certification round. The system can check it is for the Infosys certification round. The Infosys send an message to me: congratulations, your Infosys certification round examination has been scheduled at 10 a.m. on Sunday of February 96th, 2022 in Python programming language. You will receive the link for the certification round at our registration start email address. I have chosen the Python languages. Some of the examination guidelines are to be there. I have to read it. The examination guidelines for Infosys certification. And what are the system requirements is to be there. First of all, the system is to be consist of i3 core processor, higher and 4 GB RAM, and full functional webcam. You can test the webcam at http://webpage.com. Google Chrome browser version 70 or above. Disabled pop-up blocker. Taking the test on another web browser is not recommended, as the internet should be a minimum of 2 Mbps of 2 Mbps should be an uninterrupted power supply of the duration of the test. To check the readiness of the test, you have to go through the link. For the location and other requirements, you have to choose the best location where the room is to be peaceful and you can sit. You can only sit under no disturbance by the other people. The daylight should be full, and it is very important for the certification round and completely, and what are the learning content in the video. And they also provided that you have to select the language of known, and you have to learn. And programming using Java and database management, 2 videos are there. And business English and business of basics of business communication, speak up and email writing letters, and understanding languages, and so type of presentation skills and interactive skills, and grammar basics and cooperative culture. So many type of videos are presented here. All the students can be utilized completely, and the mock test is to be taken place in the Infosys website. Had to go for the in sample test also. Had to by clicking on the Infotech certification sample paper, or certification sample paper, or advanced Java Python hack within sample paper. By clicking on this, you have to go for the writing the exam. By starting this, you have to go for the writing the exam. For it is first we have to start the exam by click on the start button. Is to be occurred. Okay, it is accessible only for the full screen. Click OK for the content. Okay, that's all the video. And for a complete how to preparation and a complete preparation strategy should be discussed later on another video. uh, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for your more information about the job updates and recruitment process of different type of companies. And every update is to be given fastly and